So first understand what is the advanced Excel. Advanced Excel is the different software, yeah, different feature in the Excel. Sorry, Microsoft not any mention anywhere this option are the advanced, this option are the basic. Okay, advanced and basic depending the our using and our tricks and our requirement, right sir? For example,
Right.
I have typed the 30 on B3 and also 20 on F2. I have typed the B2 has the 30 and F2 has the 20. Then copy the 30 and paste over the 20, 20 replaced by 30. Right? Now
Right.
we have used the paste special. So we have just right click here, go to the paste special and we click here
One.
operations.
Okay.
In the operations we have the calculation, just like we have clicked the add. Now you can see here your 30 and 20 will be added and 50 will be paste the F2, right?
Correct.
We also use the multiply, then multiply, subtract, then subtract. So this is the basic concept. When you learn this topic in the advanced Excel, first we have created the one the official use. Just like we have discussed the percentage system in the Excel. You want to type the 20%, so 20 and enter the percent symbol, and after that press the enter. Your number enter in the percentage, just like 20%. But you have typed the 20, press the enter, after that select and apply the percentage format, then 2000%, because in the Excel 1 equal to 100%, right sir?
Correct.
So if you want to apply the percentage after the entering the data, that need to enter your data in the decimal, just like 0.20. Then we have applied the percentage, got the 20%, right sir?
Right.
Now my colleague send me the data and give the title the percentage, but data in the number form. We have used the rand between formula here. I have used the rand between formula, and rand between formula give the random number. This is not for you, this is not for me. Okay,
Okay.
so I have created the one data. So my colleague send me the one data like that, give the percentage heading and number data in the number format. As per my colleague, this is the 16%, but as per the Excel, this is the 16 number. I want to calculate the 16 percentage of the 500. So 16 percentage in the percent format, we have just multiplied between 500 and 16%, and we got the result. But
Yes.
16% in the number format, that time we have used these features, so got the result the error. We have need to change the formula, just like divide by 100, then we have got the result. Okay, so problem is that this data we have this data I don't use my database, because my database designed according the percentage system, and my formula according they calculate the percentage system, not a number system, right? And I don't
Right.
want to change my formula, because my formula connect the other data thing or other things. So I want to convert this number to percentage before the using data in the database, right sir? Do you understand
Right.
problem?
Yeah. Yeah.
How can change the number to number format? Because we have applied the percentage format, this see here 1600. So we have two way. First we have double click here, enter the percentage, press the enter. One by one we have double click here, enter the percentage symbol and press the enter. After that my data will be converted in the percentage. But problem is that my data is the thousands. If you I try the manually one by one, press the enter, give the percentage symbol, press the enter, take the more longer time, maybe day and week. So this idea will be postponed. Okay. Other way,
Okay.
we have convert this number to decimal, just like 0.16, right sir? 0.1. Then we have just apply, select and apply the percentage symbol. My data convert in the percentage. But how can convert the number to decimal? It's simple. We have typed the 100 any one cell, copy the 100, select the all data, right click, paste special. In the paste special, we have divide. Select the divide. If you have divide the every number divided by 100, every number divide by 100, number will be convert in the decimal, right sir? Simple mathematics thing. So click here,
Yes.
divide and press the OK. You can see here every
All
number
percentage.
convert in the decimal within second.
Correct.
Now we have click here and convert in the percentage form. So same thing, we have also give the example how can use the paste special in calculation, just like 30 and 20 example, right sir? So this is the
Right.
basic example, but we have created the one problem and we have discussed the solutions. You can got the solution and you have realized that this feature is very important for you. So feature are not a basic, not advanced, depending your usage. How can use your features, right sir?
Right.
So in my class, we have discussed the same like the topic, every topic relate to your official environment. How can you use this feature in your office and solve your problem and do the inward 100% accuracy with minimum time, right sir?
Right. Right.
I have also give the our course browser in a PDF on WhatsApp. You can see here. In my course, we have discussed the every topic with basic to advanced. So every topic basic to advanced, right sir?
Good. Right.
More than 300 formula nesting, dashboard, data analysis, everything in the class. After the course, you can eligible to make this type of the dashboard, this type of the report. You can see the reports,
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
this type of the report.
Okay.
This is the automated report. When you change your data, your report will be changed,
Correct.
right sir?
Right.
Just like you can see here, new customer is the 182 and 51% of the total. And I have changed my data. Go to the data and we have changed the sum data. When you change the sum data, you can see the summary.
The summary will come
data,
difference. Yes.
data will be changed here. 186 and percentage is the 52.
Yeah.
Right sir? So this is the automated data. You can use the any type of the formula and you can make this type of the report after the class. Okay, this is the fully automated report.
Yeah, after complete all the data in the Excel, you will create this.
I have also discussed the more than 10 to 15 this type of the reports in the class.
Okay.
And when you know everything, what is the if error, what is the get people data, what is the slicer, you can also make this report. You have eligible. I have also discussed with the 10 to 15 dashboard, this type of the dashboard. But after the dashboard, after this course, you can also make the any type of the dashboard like this. Okay.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, fully understand your concern. Yeah.
Okay. And you can also receive the everyday class videos. homeworks, projects, article for reading. Not every day, but video is every day. Homework maybe every day, and when you need the projects, we give the project. When you need time to time, we conduct the test also, and also give the article for the study. Right, sir?
Okay, right.
Okay, so your class start on India 10, and class duration is the around 45 minutes. Duration will be average depending on the course topics and questions. We have finished the topic, you have not any questions, then class will be finished shortly, and you have asked a lot of the questions, class will be longer. So class duration will be depending on learning style. So we have finished the average 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes. Sometimes we finish the 30 to 35 minutes. Sometimes finish the 40 to 45 minutes. So depending on learning styles and questions. Okay.
All the advanced level you are giving, correct?
Yeah. All
Good,
topic,
good.
all topic conduct a basic to advanced, not only for advanced. First, we think the
Basic to advanced, basic to
yeah,
advanced, yes.
First thing we have discussed the basic, just like first we discussed the basic thing, how can you use the paste special operations, and we have also discussed in the advanced.
Okay.
So every topic first we discuss the basic, and then we have discussed the advanced. Because
And
I have no idea you have what type of the knowledge about the Excel and which option, how many percentage you know, and what did you know. We have no idea because your brain database not with me, right? So we
yes,
have
yes,
followed our procedure.
yes.
Okay, so we have discussed some topic, maybe you have no, some topic you're for your new, and some topic for your tricky.
Okay.
Okay, you have realized some topic you have no, already know, some topic you for you're for new topic for you, and some topic tricks for you. You have know this
Okay.
topic, but these are different tricks.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.